Welcome back, guys. And in this video, I'm going to cover quickly about the some tips about beautification of your Samsung mobile. That is, how to beautify your lock screen and how to beautify your icon shapes, etc. So, welcome back, guys. Not wasting much of your time, I would like to request you kindly consider to subscribe this channel. So, let us quickly come to the topic. First, I will tell you about the lock screen. There are two type of screen in Samsung mobile. That is, one is lock screen and the other is home screen. Home screen is this one, and lock screen when we will lock it. So suppose if we want to change the lock screen background, what we do, we will seek help for one application. This is Good Lock. You are seeing that the shape of the icon has been changed. I will quickly cover this too also in this same video, so not wasting much of your time, just press the Good Lock, and here lock star is coming. Here you will see that this is the lock screen and this is the home screen. So it will be off in your mobile. If it is on, if it is not on, please switch on this, and then you can also set the maximum value of the screen timeout of the lock screen. If you can restrict it, you can select it 15 seconds or 10 seconds. After that it will go. Then just select it. Now we will customize this, beautify this. How can we do? Just tap here and you will see add sticker. You can add as many stickers as you want. You can also change the sticker shape. That is, it can be snake, it can be this, it can be this. You can change the stickers, okay? And you can also increase this, you can also rotate that. So now you can save it. Suppose now you are locking it. It is locked, and now it will on, and you will see the sticker here. So these are the stickers. In that also here you can click and touch, and then if you want to change the clock shape, then just select it, and then here some small circle is coming. Just touch it and you can change the type of clock appearance. You can also change the battery type also, but it will come here or not. Calendar will shown here. Suppose we are saving here. Now this will come on the home lock screen. So this is all about. It has come now. Just so this is all about the lock screen, and now I will tell you about the icon shape. You are seeing here the shape of icon is slightly different with the normal one. How can it is possible? Just go to the Good Lock applications and then just go to the theme park, and here just create new. I have created this. I will delete first. Suppose I will select and I will delete it. So now it has been deleted, and now I will show you how to create. Just create one, click here. This screen will come. Now from here you can select the type of icons. Suppose you are selecting this, suppose. Then how to download it, how to apply it, just press here and give some name, test 1, then okay. It will install. Wait, it will take some time. It will take 1-2 minutes. Now it has been installed, and here you can see it come here. Just press it, and here you will see. As soon as you will tap here, it will say apply. Now it has been applying. You can see it has been applied, and you can see the shape of icon has been changed. So this is the, now we will see the lock screen. Here you can see the stickers are coming, and this can also be modified. The shape of icon has been changed. Just open it. Shape of icon has been changed. So these are two things I wanted to tell you. First, the use of lock screen, and then how can we change the icon shapes in Samsung A31, M31, A51, A52, S10, S20. This will work. This good lock application will work in every mobile. So this is what I wanted to tell you. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much, guys.